there is another challenge. And I guess in the coming days, I will touch on what's happening with Wheaton College. It didn't make huge news, but it's in a nutshell. I'll explain it right now. In the Hobby Lobby case, and I should also note that it was clarified by the Supreme Court that the Hobby Lobby case was not just limited to the 4 types of contraception that Hobby Lobby mistakenly thought caused abortions. Supreme Court clarified the next day that it involved all contraceptive care, even the ones that the stupid Hobby Lobby people knew didn't cause abortion. It applies to all contraceptive care that exists, essentially, and is offered by insurers without a copay. In that Hobby Lobby case, the argument by the 5 male Catholic conservative justices who ruled in favor of this corporation and its religious soul, they said that the government has an easy remedy for Hobby Lobby's refusal to, I guess, engage with health insurance that provides this, because they had an option, and that option, of course, was to simply not get the tax benefit for offering their employees health insurance. That easy remedy by the government was a system set up by the HHS for exemption for religious organizations like Catholic hospitals, which are arguably more of a religious nature. Well, the day after Hobby Lobby was issued, maybe it was 2 days, maybe it was 5 days, Wheaton College made the argument to the Supreme Court that the idea that they would have to send a letter, or fill out a form for this religious exemption to the HHS was also an offense to their religious sensibilities, because by filling out the form, it then alerted the government, which would then alert the insurance agent, and would then require the insurance agent to offer contraceptive care separate from, as a rider, separate from the insurance that in this instance, college was offering. The insurance companies will eat the cost of this because ultimately it saves them money. But the idea that filling out the form then became an offense to their religiousness in an extraordinary, I think they call it an extraordinary emergency ruling, they ruled that this was, in fact, an offense to their religious sensibilities. And it took just about 5 days for them, the Supreme Court, the 5 white male Catholic justices, to say that the reason why they found the Hobby Lobby thing in the manner they did was because that there was already a government exemption, so the state did not show that it was necessary to compel Hobby Lobby to offer this health insurance. And so that's where we are in terms of Hobby Lobby.